Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Channel, what we'll be doing today guys here, we'll apply to any Mazda guy, any Mazda vehicle such as Mazda 2, 3, 5, 6, Mazda CX-3, CX-5, CX-7 guys, Mazda Miata. If you guys feel vibrations from your engines, we will explain guys what causes that. Okay, the most common reason for that. It doesn't mean that it's that on your vehicle, but this is one of the most common reasons, and we had to replace so many of those parts guys on so many vehicles. And this is pretty much on any vehicle, not even Mazda, but we'll explain for Mazda today. Stay with us, that's what we'll be doing. Quick introduction guys, we have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment below guys, and let us know if that fix your problem. So let's start on it now. So this is a 2010 Mazda guys, right here that we're working on. It's a Mazda CX-7, and what is causing the vibration on that car, I'll explain what we had to replace to fix it. Okay, usually you start your car guys, and when it starts idling, you're going to feel a little bit of vibrations on the seat, a little bit, and then guys, what you're going to do, you're going to feel, when you give sudden gas, you might feel like kind of like the engine moving a little bit, Now I'm talking about vibrations that are usually guys caused, in our case, they're not caused by mechanical failure in the engine, such as spark plug, ignition coil, or anything like that. But if you have something going on in your engine, usually you'll get an engine light. The engine light will tell you if something's wrong. In our case guys, no engine light, nothing like that, still vibrates. So we'll explain guys what causes that. If you drive down the highway, and at certain RPMs you may feel your kind of like the dashboard vibrating. That guys, is due, most likely from passenger side engine mount. This is the weakest spot on vehicles guys. If you come to the passenger side of the vehicle, this is guys your engine mount. So we had a parts car, we replaced it from another car. This is the engine mount. It has a rubber seal, and this one I cannot take it apart. The whole engine mount on the inside, it has a rubber seal, and when that goes bad guys, what happens? Actually it doesn't support the engine quite sturdy, and the engine will start vibrating. At first it will be little, then you will get more and more and more, to the point that you can even hear some clunking when you change gears from reverse to going forward, or if it's manual when you change gears. Another reason guys, that could be, you have torque strut mount, this thing right there. This could be another reason for that. Definitely guys, that could cause it as well. So that's number 2, and number 3 will be transmission mount, but this is not very common. I don't know why, but this one tends to be the one that usually does it. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you having those vibrations. Thank you for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.